Your IACS UPST 2025 examination is on 8th of June, and you are wondering how to prepare for this examination in this last moment. Hello everyone, I am Akhil Tripathi, a NICE alumnus, and from last 4 years we are helping students to get into India's top research institutes like IISER, IISc Bangalore, IACS, NICER, and so on. In this video, I will discuss the detailed strategy for your last month preparation of IACS UPST examination. Before making this video, I talked with the mentors from IACS who themselves clears the IACS UPST examination and guided hundreds of students to get into IACS through SciEstra. So we do not only prepare students for IIT, but we also help them for NEST, for IACS, and for all the other research entrance examinations at UG level. So the level of difficulty of IACS UPST written examination is almost similar to the IISER aptitude test examination. So for all the students who have prepared for IIT, they have a golden opportunity in IACS UPST examination. So here you have to first clear the written examination and then you will be selected for the interview. And your combined score of PCMB or physics, chemistry, math and computer science, including with your interview marks, combined total, you will get selection into IACS. So the syllabus for IACS is same as the IISER aptitude test examination, and for all the videos that we have made for the important chapters, all the one shot 15 important questions that we have made in SciEstra for the IIT examination, these are the good resources for IACS UPST examination for your revision and practice. And in addition to that, the best resource for you in this last moment will be the PYQs of IACS UPST examination and the mocks of IACS UPST examination. But nowhere in the internet you will find these resources apart from SciEstra. We have launched IACS special mock test series for you all, where you will be able to get all the available PYQs from 2021 to 2024, all the available 4 PYQs we have made in the CBT mode. So you can practice that just like your actual examination, and you can practice our mock test for IACS. We cover the PCMB physics, chemistry, math, biology portion of IACS UPST examination, and in this course we will also help you if you get selected for the interview. Our mentors from IACS will help you to get into IACS by your interview preparation. So all you have to do, check out the link in the description for the IACS UPST mock test series. So the safe score for the IACS examination is around 60 to 70 marks. So out of 120 marks, the paper is having +2 if you do a correct question and -0.66 if you do a incorrect question, and your total marks is 120, out of which if you score around 60 to 70 marks, like the difficulty level of the paper of previous year, you will be able to get a call for the interview in IACS. So your strategy will be to attempt all the 4 PYQs of IACS, do the revision from one-shot lectures of IIT that we have already made, do the 15 important questions and mock test of IACS level that we have given. We have also provided free mock in the free material section. You can also check out that. So this was your plan for IACS in the last moment, and when you are done with the written examination, we will help you in the interview. All the best. See you at IACS. Jai Hind.